Imagine a workplace where every voice is heard, every perspective is valued, and every person feels they truly belong. That's the promise of inclusive leadership, a style that not only brings out the best in people, but also drives organizations forward. Inclusive leadership starts with a commitment to recognize and value the unique contributions of every team member. By actively seeking out diverse perspectives, leaders open the door to fresh ideas and creative solutions. When people feel seen and heard, they're empowered to contribute their best work, fueling innovation and growth. Inclusive leaders go beyond simply embracing diversity. They foster belonging. They create safe spaces for honest conversations, welcome feedback, and address biases. This builds trust and resilience, enabling teams to navigate challenges with confidence. Organizations led by inclusive leaders are more adaptable, creative, and better equipped to succeed in a rapidly changing world. Inclusive leadership isn't just the right thing to do. It's the smart thing to do. By valuing every individual and championing belonging, leaders inspire greatness and unlock the full potential of their teams. Together, let's build workplaces where everyone can thrive.